Good morning, my dear friends and technical staff. Today, our awareness class is about what steps can avoid seepage losses from reservoirs. Number 1. Well compaction of bund and reservoir area near the bund. Number 2. Hotting zone in the center of the bund with BC soils is necessitated, which can also help and protect the bund from collapse during excess flow in rainy season. Treatment of loose soils areas, that is removal of loose soils at weak zones and get filled by soft soils and suitable soils. Different process, different methods used. Grouting, that is grouting of loose areas in the tank as well as at the place along the bund in casing soil areas and GW soil areas and other soil areas other than BC soil areas. Regarding seepage, minimum seepage is allowed. Water entered the bund will be let out through filters. They are horizontal and vertical filters. Vertical filter is also called a chimney. Generally, PD limit is 95% for GW soils and 98% for BC soils. PD is what mass per volume, Proctor density. Density are of two kinds. Number 1, bulk density. Number 2 is dry density. This test also helps to maintain qualitative and quantitative bund work. Permeability test is very important for knowing the soils, how porous they are, and it also decides whether grouting is necessary or not to strengthen the ground to minimize seepage losses. Grouting equipments are borehole, drilling machine, 4.5 inch pipes, half-inch pipes, pressure gauge, water tub, water tanker, and other materials like cement, water, etc. Permeability test to be conducted in two stages. That is 1. Permeability test, pre-permeability test. That is pre-permeability test before grouting is done. And number 2, post-permeability test. That is after grouting. Grouting is done at 1:5 ratio. That is 1 part of cement and 5 parts of water. Generally, the permeability value is 15, 20, 30, etc. lugins. After grouting, it must be less than 5 lugins. Permeability PE is equal to Q by P, where Q is equal to discharge in Q6 or Qmax, P is pressure in kg per cm square. Pressure is here applied from ascending order to descending order 1, 1.5, 2 kg per cm square to 2, 1.5, 1 kg per cm square or vice versa. At 5 minutes intervals or as said by lab engineers or QC and inspection engineers or field or site engineers. See picture here. This is a reservoir, one side hills and another side formation of bank and one regulator and canal system. Its capacity is 6.5 TMC, and this class is for just awareness. Original design construction tips varies from site to site and structures to structures. These steps construction tips useful for qualitative and quantitative and purposeful of reservoirs. Minimum seepage is okay, but if seepages are more, the purpose of the reservoir will become waste. Reservoir is storage area, storage structure or large water body. They are of many kinds, changes from village kuntas, tanks, lakes and reservoirs. Small water bodies, village kunta, and middle type of water bodies, tanks and lakes. Major water bodies are called reservoirs. Reservoirs are used for storage of water, of rainy water, so as to supply for irrigation purpose or drinking purpose or industrial purpose or complex purpose or any other purpose. And from reservoirs, the water is let out through canal systems and regulators. In respect of small tanks, weirs are constructed. Through weirs, water is let out through canal systems. This is about reservoir.